Local leaders are reacting to the city of Los Angeles passing one of the strictest COVID vaccine mandates in the nation.
LA will now require proof of vaccination or a negative COVID test before you can step inside most public places. News 8's Evan Rani live outside the county administration building with what local leaders are saying about all this. Evan?
Yeah, good morning to both of you, Stella and Eric. A lot of people now wondering across San Diego County whether we will be next in line to follow in Los Angeles's footsteps in requiring that COVID-19 vaccine for any indoor public spaces. After talking with supervisors Jim Desmond and Nathan Fletcher, they both agree we are in a different place here in San Diego than Los Angeles in terms of our number of people vaccinated, in terms of hospitalizations, and that really does give us the upper hand in terms of not having to require those vaccines everywhere we go. Our vaccination numbers in terms of the people who have received at least one of those vaccine shots is at about 90%. And for full vaccinations, we're at about 80% versus Los Angeles, where they're at about 60%. So after their city council passed that mandate yesterday, both supervisors Fletcher and Desmond say that they don't think we will be following in their footsteps.
Given the extremely high rate of vaccination in San Diego County, given the declining number of cases, declining hospitalizations, it just doesn't seem that this would be the time to impose that additional burden.
The new crisis, I think, is kind of an unintended consequence of these mandatory vaccinations, is the loss of our first responders. Where a year ago they were heroes. When we didn't have the vaccine, and they were able to help and still work in the hospitals and everything, and now they can't.
Now, LA City Council will require anyone entering indoor venues like restaurants, bars, gyms, shopping centers, and concert halls to provide proof of vaccination or a negative COVID-19 test. LA businesses caught in violation of the mandate will receive a warning and then fines up to $5,000. The public health director also says 60% of LA's 10.3 million residents have been fully vaccinated. This is in comparison to about 80% here in San Diego. Los Angeles hopes that, of course, these numbers will require more people to get vaccinated, or at least will lead more people to get vaccinated in Los Angeles County. Keep in mind, this does still impact San Diego residents who go up to Los Angeles County. However, for us here in San Diego specifically, it does not seem like we will be following in a similar path. Now, that vaccine mandate for Los Angeles will go into effect on November 6th. For us here in San Diego, businesses themselves can still ask for that. However, it will not be mandated. It will not be up to individual businesses to require that, and the city won't be or the county won't be imposing fines on any businesses that don't check vaccines if they choose to do so. Outside of the county administration building, I'm Evan Rani, News 8.